Good morning, everyone. So today I welcome you all to this presentation, which is going to be on the content 1 of the course introductory video. I am going to share my screen so that you all can see the PPT. I am Dr. Anupama, and this content video is based on abstract writing. What is an abstract? An abstract is a short summary of your published or unpublished research paper, and it is usually about a paragraph, 6 to 7 sentences, 150 to 250 words long. A well-written abstract serves multiple purposes. So it's although it is short, it is very difficult, and you have to think before writing your abstract. The context or background information for your research, the general topic under study, the specific topic of your research, the central questions or statement of the problem your research addresses. What is already known about this question? What previous research has been done or shown? What is the rationale or the goal for your research, and why it is very important to address these questions? What are going to be your research and analytical methods? What is your main findings, results, and arguments, and the significance or implications of your findings or arguments? Now, this is an example of a call for paper. So many times you get a call for paper and you really don't know how to address or write an abstract. So this paper is going to be about, this paper, sample paper, is about media and what kind of important role a media plays in our everyday life. So this, let's say we select this film, Kabir Singh, and this is the title of the sample abstract. Research on cinema using the political lens, case study of Kabir Singh. And this is a film that most of you must be familiar with because it has been one of the most popular critically um, for all critical reasons in 2019. Variables may have interdisciplinary tone as well, meaning there is nothing called as a purely political variable. There is a high chance of intersectionality between different variables from different disciplines. Themes and approaches. So there are a wide range of sub-themes to choose from along with wide-ranging lens perspectives to apply. Synopsis of the film: Kabir Singh. Kabir Singh was a senior medical student with a passion for motorcycles and football, is heartbroken when his girlfriend is forced to marry another man. Already struggling with anger issues, he falls into a self destructive spiral. What is the research problem? For some, the problem may lie with the treatment of the characters, glorification of the misogynist, abusive, misplaced sense of male entitlement, while for others, the film is a creative product of artistic minds with right to put across a story with brutal honesty. This is exactly where a research could attempt to probe and find answers against this duality. Analysis. In this research task, one could analyze each character of the film and see how it contributes in constructing or deconstructing the idea of a stereotypical love story in Hindi cinema. Case for such an examination becomes stronger, knowing the very USP of the film being as a different love story is outrightly rejected by critics in view of the absence of the girl from the love story itself. Demure and vulnerable, the girl Preeti seems to lack any agency. Kabir Singh, on the other hand, being the patriarchal savior, unabashedly marks his territory in public and private. What are the research questions? According to critics, right from clothing, language to screenplay, all designed to celebrate masculinity at the cost of femininity. But the haunting question remains then: how did it manage to become one of the biggest hits of the 2019 despite prolonged criticisms? How and why have the two characters of Kabir and Preeti captured the imagination of the youth? Does cinema have the higher purpose of addressing social issues apart from entertainment, and why? So this is a sample, and I hope there are different kind of samples which are available on the internet, and you can have a look at it to understand these kind of approaches which become very important before writing an abstract.